This is an introduction to Construct. Construct is a browser-based game. It's best to run it in Chrome if you have a version of Chrome, because Chrome supports an engine called WebGL. All we need to do is log into Construct. And here I've got a link. And what we need to do is log into the account. So if you have sent me your login details, I can give you a full license for this software for the duration of the course. Okay, so Construct 3 is a browser-based game, so therefore it will work on a PC, it will work on a Mac, and it exports via JavaScript to HTML5. That's the basic engine behind it, and you can export to mobile platforms and PC, Mac, which we'll have a look at in due course. Okay, to launch Construct 3, you simply click on the Launch button, and we can talk about some of the features. Construct 3 is the updated version of Construct 2 that's been around for about 15 years. There's a huge amount of information online about it. It's designed to be used online. There's templates which you can use. So you can download a template and experiment with the game. There's examples of beginner level games, intermediate examples, and advanced examples. We're going to be learning some of the basics of Construct, and then we're going to be building a fully featured platform game, and I will supply the graphics for that. But first of all, let's have a look around Construct 3. On the Moodle page, there's the manual, but you can see that there are online tutorials, beginner's guide. We have extra tutorials available. There's the manual, which you have. There is an arcade where you can see games, and there's a showcase of games. And also there's a very active community. I save all of my Construct files on the cloud. You can do the same thing. You can save files up to 50 megabytes in your actual browser. I would not recommend this, or you can download a file. However, if like me, you use multiple devices, I suspect it's much better to load it to the cloud. When I click on cloud, it will log into my Google account. So I can just log into my Google account via the Dropbox, and then I have all of my basic files available to me online, which I can then load up. The downside of this is it's quite hard to be organized. You can't decide how you want to be able to see your files. These settings are preset, and I don't have any control of that. Construct 3 is 2D based. It's subscription based, so you have a subscription now. And it's a very good starting point to get into game design because you can concentrate purely on the gameplay and not on coding, but you will learn the language of coding and be able to immerse yourself in that when you start working with 3D software and 3D game platforms. Okay, so let's get started with building our first game.